तो अब इम्पोर्टेंट बात, सब लोग अपना अपना मोबाइल फोन साइलेंट पर रख दो और ये सीरीज बिंदास देखो, क्योंकि इसमें शर्माने की क्या बात है।
लाइट का करो यार, लाइट से।
The other interesting thing is that this is the first time a series is going out at this scale. We are doing this series in 15 languages. It's being subtitled in 9 international languages, which includes French and German and Spanish, Thai, Bhasa, Chinese, Dutch, Malay. So it's going out at that scale. We're also dubbing it in 5 Indian languages outside of Hindi. So we're really hoping that this Mehpal Bindra, he's the guy who goes topless in Bang Baja Bharat, you can't miss him, who came on board and brought on board also 2 incredibly scarily talented writers. Devang Kakkad, who's right here. Devang, take a bow, man. And Gopal Dutt. मतलब इतना मुश्किल है ये लिखना. This is a script that we've struggled with for 6 months. और इतनी आसानी से, इतने प्यार से, with such simple analogies which kids will understand today. Not just kids. People of all ages will understand it. It's crazy how little women know about their own menstrual cycles. Today I can tell you, me and Gopal probably know more about periods than most women. It's true, you know, and it's so important. And all the analogies they brought in, be it the beautiful metaphor or simile of a left-handed, right-handed with homosexuality, or a Gmail as an inbox, or a USB cord, chahe kitna patla ho, it's so beautifully done, because it's really important when we are talking not just to children of this age or anyone कि ये कहीं डबल मीनिंग या गंद की दुनिया में ना घुस जाए, या फिर इतना कॉम्प्लिकेटेड ना हो जाए कि किसी को समझ में ना आए. And they've done that so beautifully. So pretty much half our job got done with such an incredible script that Amrit, Anand, Gopal and Devang put together for us, and it's intact with all with fantastic humor and a lot of heart. The other half became really easy thanks to my Jan Shanu Sharma, giving me the most incredible cast ever. I mean, can you believe this guy? Really? मतलब जब हम रिहर्सल करते थे, ये ना सिर्फ अपने लाइन याद रखता था, कबीर साजिद, ये सबको क्यों करता था? उसको कंटिन्यूटी याद रहती थी कि नहीं मेरा हाथ यहाँ नहीं यहाँ था, ये पानी की बोतल का ढक्कन बंद ही खुला था. He would remember things like that. So there's just been so much we've learned from him. And every day on set, Kabir would find one thing he'd be most excited about. कि आज I'm going to become Batman, or I'm going to become Superman, or आज मैंने तो मैं नागिन डांस करने वाला हूँ. So what of course we do is we schedule that thing the last in the day. So energy would be at high all through the day. I wanted someone, if you can see Anand Vatsa, there's a lot of, the character is very, very close to me. So I wanted someone really good looking and extremely talented to play that part. I couldn't get anyone good looking. So I decided to settle for great talent. Anand Tiwari, who's lived this part, So anyone who knows me will know there's so much of me, right from the Batman to whatever else you see in that. Incidentally, the parents are named after my parents, Vishwanath and Usha. And it's been a dream. I've been such a huge fan of Sachin sir. Right from the time he played Bal Krishna to Katiyar Kaljat, my God. So I was like, every time we discussed that name, I would hear that chant that you heard at the beginning. Sachin, Sachin, clap, clap, clap. So that would be just playing in my head. I'm like, मेरा दिल उस पर बैठ गया था कि यार अब तो मुझे यही करना है. And unfortunately dates weren't working out. और लेकिन वो कहते हैं ना, once if there's something is meant to happen, somehow it's gonna just come around and it will happen. And it played out. And I went to Sachin sir and I pitched it to him. And of course, right in the middle of the narration, Supriya ji walked out and my heart just kind of popped and went into my mouth like, oh my God, she's beautiful. And then it went back inside. And right in the middle of a conversation where I'm talking about masturbation. So it was kind of awkward. And Sachin sir just came on board, and there's just such an incredible amount of things that we've learned from him. I mean, he's someone who started acting at age 4.5, which is about like a few years just before Kabir started. From his knowledge of lighting to camera grammar to whatever else, and I have a terrible reputation. मैं जब भी shoot करता हूँ, चाहे मैं January में shoot कर रहा हूँ राजस्थान में, वहाँ बारिश होगी. And we were shooting in the heart of the monsoons and outdoor. So we have all these fancy apps on iPhone, etc., which tell you light kitne baje tak hogi. My focus pullers, gaffers, DOPs are looking at it saying, yaar, 6:35 ke aage to bhai, pack up. And Sachin sir would walk in and say, just look at the sky and say, 7:13 कर उस कोने में तुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा तो शूट कर ले. Slam dunk. 7:13 we're shooting. You know, it's uncanny. So there's just so much to learn from it, and we had such a blast. So, and of course, two beautiful ladies who unfortunately are not here for this screening today, Sangeeta. And if that were not enough, I had some wonderful, wonderful people make these incredible cameos. A few of them are here today. This rockstar Faisal. Faisal, please get up and take a bow, man. I had Maharana Pratap coming in on a horse to buy a condom. Can you believe that? Beat that. You know, and I'm amazed at the kind of fan club this boy has. It's nuts. There are people, if possible, virtually throwing panties on YouTube at us. It's mad. Really, you know. So it's crazy what the kind of reach that he brought in. Of course, we have the whole Y Films universe coming in, from Dingo and Khanna from Ladies Room to, you know, to Pawan from Bang Bajabara to Kiran from Man's World. Then, of course, there's my very, very dear friend. We go back a long time. Sharib Hashmi, give me a hug. So Sharib and I go back a while. We used to be colleagues in MTV. He used to write this really bad show called Cheeto Chat. Uske jokes abhi bhi utne gande. Fortunately, he stopped writing and started acting now. But the terrible jokes still continue. So Sharib came on board as a sweetheart. There's of course Abish. And then of course, there's the gorgeous Urvashi Rautela. Urvashi, thank you so much. There's Urvashi right here in the house for us. So I pitched it to Urvashi. And and she asked me, so what do you want me to do? I said, no, I just want you to come to the set. Nothing. We needed someone who looks hard. So you just land up. It's okay. You know, you land up wearing a burqa, you'll be hard. And it's cool. And you know, it's a tricky part to play something which is, you're playing off your type of what people are expecting out of you. And to do it with such great humor with one ridiculous accent which goes, Santa. Angus. And she's doing it with a straight face. And it's wild.
First of all, I would like to say that, hats off to you, Ashish, because I feel you're the real hero of this thing. And I had really no idea, and I'm playing a very tiny and short part in this. But, after seeing this and after getting such an amazing response, I've been noticing that on all the comments. Thank you so very much. And this is something which is most important right now when it comes to our country. So I'm really glad, and thank you so very much.
Thank you so much. No, so really, and Urvashi is just standing in front of the camera and like, okay, eat an apple. And everyone's going, okay, Urvashi, eat a cherry. Urvashi, just wipe your forehead. So everyone's going bananas over there, and that kind of stuff happened. It was great fun. And that voiceover sounds fantastic. It's our line producer Sikandar Rana. But you have to hear Gopal Dada do that voiceover. I'm going to make him do that. So thank you. This just an incredible cast that kind of came together for us. So bulk of my work got done by these guys, and then I was blessed with just an incredible crew. They just made my life so simple. I was really nervous about this one. Taking my first shot at direction. I'm a pretty hands-on producer, so I was expecting a lot of gyan. Saying, "बहुत ज्ञान देता है, देखते तो क्या करता है? Action और cut के बीच में अब बता तो क्या कर रहा है?" And these guys made it a very safe place for me to screw up, and I know I've screwed up a lot, and they really covered up for me and just really gave me wings to fly. So my hats off to my fantastic crew. A lot of them are not here today, but my DOP, the incredible music that Superbia has put together. The last song that you hear is written by Shan. It's sung by his 11-year-old son, whose name is Shubh, who's fantastic. The first song that you heard, it's actually him singing. That's Kabir's voice. And that's also a crazy story, okay? So Shan and Gaurav and Roshan were trying to get a guy to sing this song. And there were no young singers, and हमने पूरी खाक छान मारी वो Voice of India Junior and Little Indian Idol and all of that. And the minute they heard the lyrics, they were like, नहीं यार, हम नहीं ये बोल सकते. This guy went in and just nailed it. So that was just incredible, and that's why it's been quite a ride. So thank you so much for coming in such big sizes, and we're hoping really you'll help us get this message out there as much as possible. So enough again from my side.
वही भाई यार क्या कर रहा है यार ये भी है ना.
Should I just call everybody in? Oh, okay, great. Hi. I got to play Ashish Patil. So thank you, Ashish. I'm generally independent filmों का. Hi, Rajkumar, what's up? See, this particular series for us was, every time you work, you give your best, and you hope that at the end of the day, you will be able to feel something nice about it once the audience sees it. This is probably the first time, and I've done a little bit of work in advertising, theatre, and now films, and now web series. This is the first time I felt so satisfied every day of making it happen. and I hope people like it. But I'm 100% satisfied even right now, and that's a very unique feeling to have. And I hope the kind of message that we are sending out reaches out to everybody. When Ashish and Nikhil told us about this idea, I thought it was absolutely crazy. I was like, कैसे करेंगे यार, बच्चों से कैसे बुलाएंगे ये सारी बातें? And Ashish's brainchild completely. And as Ashish said that we've struggled so much to get the right writers for it. So Amrit and I kept hiring and firing many writers who will be crying a lot when they see the series actually turn out. And it was really Gopal and Devang coming on and taking the similes or the metaphors, the way you see them, which just made our job so much more easier. And yes, and Ashish, the way he picked up each and every actor to come and become a part of this, especially Sachin sir. I realize that अभी बहुत सीखना बाकी है. So thank you so much for doing this, sir. And yeah, I'm done with my piece.
अभी मैं बुला रहा हूँ हम सबके पापा को, यानी मेरे पापा के पापा को, मेरे दद्दू सचिन पिरंगावनकर सर।
सबसे पहले तो इसके बाद में मैं इसे मेरा सरनेम ठीक से लेना सिखाऊंगा, जो कि इस उम्र के लिए वाकई बहुत डिफिकल्ट था. And you bet, I mean, it was difficult for me as well when I was this small. I am really very happy because of, such a great thing happened to me. Like, God has been kind every year of my career of now 53 years in this industry, that He really gave me an opportunity to do something new every year. And this was the new thing this year, 2016, for me. I feel grateful that I'm a part of this. And it was fun. It was fun to be with this mature guy. It was fun to be with Anand. But when the real excitement really started, when Ashish came to me and he told me about this. And each and everything he started explaining to me, and he was so enthused, he was so energetic, that I really was involved in your narration. I never thought that you would screw up. But I had a confidence that the kind of knowledge you have about sex, you have a right to screw up. But this guy is superb. Is superb. I never could feel that he was calling shots for the first time. And me being here with these kind of talented people is a boon. And I'm sure that you guys, when you work with him, you'll understand and realize where I'm coming from. So I really thank you, Ashish, that you thought of me. And Shanu called me. Yeah, Shanu spoke with me before Ashish could speak with me. So thanks, Shanu. And I'm a team. I'm a family. And thanks a lot for making me a family. Thank you.
Urvashi and Sharif up here for a couple of pictures.
Yeah, there are such great stars who are doing small things and adding to this series. And thank you. Thank you.
Some questions? If you guys have any questions, we'd be happy to take them.
Sachin sir, you have been in the industry for so long. What do you feel is the reason for the longevity of your career? And what was there about this show that made you take up this show?
Well, answer to your question is in your question, I feel. It is these people who keep me going. Without them, my career or the number of years is not that important as the kind of people you work with. That is rather more important. And like I said, I feel like, and I feel very happy doing something new every year. And this is the new thing which has come my way, and I'm grateful to the Almighty for it.
Anand,
देखिए जो करा है इनने करा है, मैंने कुछ नहीं करा है, मैंने अपनी लाइनें बोली हैं याद कर करके। ये हाँ वो डायरेक्टर साहब से आप पूछें, मुझसे मत पूछिए।
Honestly, that's a question that's come to us very often, and that's I have to salute two incredible sets of people, namely Kabir's parents, Shireen and Sajid, who are here, and his lovely elder brother Amir. अच्छी सीख टीचर से ही मिलती है, और ये दोनों टीचर्स हैं। तो पहली बार हम लोग काफी कोशिश कर रहे थे, और शानू बताएगी आपको डिटेल्स में, कि when we were trying to cast for this part, it was very tough one to cast. That a lot of people, even if they could say the lines, they didn't want to say the lines. It only took a smart, intelligent and mature mind who had to be a teacher कि वो हमें सिखा के गया. And I'm hoping I can become at least 5% of the kind of parents they are, really. And we would have probably cast a little older, but इसका audition इतना भयानक था that मतलब we have goosebumps every time we still go back to that audition. It's like, man, I mean, we have to cast this boy and we have to make this show. And the first time I remember we did the reading when words like this, लिखना एक बात होती है, जब उसके मुंह से सब words निकल रहे थे, penis, vagina, all of that. One thing was to think about it awkwardly, and the other thing was when it actually played out, you realized that this is going to happen. So honestly, he taught us more than we taught him. More importantly, I must add, if, and this is purely research that we've done that I'm sharing with you, if a child is old enough to ask, he's old enough to know. You will be amazed at the age internationally where sex education starts. It starts with basic concepts of explaining love and basic things over here of saying, beta ye nunu nahi hai. Do not be embarrassed about calling it something, and that's where shaming and all of those things start. So these are the smaller things that we watched out of, and which is why it was important to give you the jhatka and say, "Arey, iske muh se kya aaya?" Otherwise, it wouldn't have worked if I had a teenager. It would have become a very different show. Again, that's the stuff that we kept in mind when we cast someone like Faisal. If we cast someone older, that awkwardness of probably going to buy his first condom wouldn't have hit you. और जब ये जाएगा और जब भसड़ बजी के जाके पूछेगा भैया कौन सा फ्लेवर, तब जो मजा आएगा वो उसमें फर्क है. There's a reason for that.
इनफैक्ट हमने जब, सॉरी जस्ट आंसरिंग दैट क्वेश्चन, इनफैक्ट जब कबीर की कास्टिंग हो चुकी थी तब सारी स्क्रिप्ट्स लॉक नहीं थी. तो जब कबीर की कास्टिंग पूरी हो गई तो उसके हिसाब से स्क्रिप्टों में काफ़ी फेरबदल हुआ. जो सिमिलीज आप देख रहे हैं तो राइटर्स की तरह हमने फिर सोचा कि अगर ये बच्चा है तो फिर किस सिचुएशन में ऐसे शब्द आएंगे. तो कई सारे आप सिचुएशन देख रहे हैं जो हमारे आम जिंदगी में होते हैं, जैसे इस उम्र के बच्चे भी इन शब्दों से एक्सपोज हो सकते हैं. तो इसकी कास्टिंग में बहुत मदद हुई हमारी.
कुछ नहीं समझ
Season 2.
तरह का वही सबसे बड़ा
I
इम्प्लीमेंटेशन
think they are the foundation of this series, frankly. These two lovely gentlemen here. But I guess it's always, I think they'll probably also say that it's finally everything has to come together as a team. चाहे कितना, जैसे मैं कह रहा था, इतना अच्छा आइडिया हो लेकिन गंदे से एग्जीक्यूट हो तो उस आइडिया में मजा नहीं है. अच्छी स्क्रिप्ट हो लेकिन एक्टर्स पे ठीक से नहीं बैठा तो मजा नहीं आएगा. और आई थिंक थोड़ा बहुत डायरेक्शन भी ठीक है.
जिस तरह का ऑब्जर्वेशन है उसके बारे में क्या कहना चाहेंगे? जो राइटर्स का ऑब्जर्वेशन है चीज़ों को लेकर, उसके लिए वो आपको कितना इम्पैक्ट किया?
आशीष, मैं सॉरी आशीष जस्ट इंटरप्टिंग यू, आशीष पूरी तरह से इस राइटिंग प्रोसेस में इन्वॉल्व थे. ये कोई एक बंदे की सोच नहीं थी. जो गोपाल दादा वाज द हेड राइटर ऑफ द होल थिंग. ये हम सब ने मिलके, निखिल ने, आशीष ने, अमृत ने, मैंने, देवांग ने, हम सब ने मिलके, इनफैक्ट हमने गायनेकोलॉजिस्ट से बात की, हमने कई डॉक्टरों से बात की इस बारे में, और तब ये जाके स्क्रिप्ट बनी है. तो इसमें बहुत लोगों का योगदान रहा है. और जैसे आशीष ने कहा, राइटर्स प्लिंथ होते हैं, फाउंडेशन होते हैं किसी भी प्रोजेक्ट के लिए. तो फाउंडेशन हमारी बहुत स्ट्रांग थी, पर इसके अलावा बहुत लोगों ने इस पे काम किया.
But I think you must have a specific offline conversation with these two lovely gentlemen here, Gopal and Devang. You must catch up with them and have a more detailed discussion.
Urvashi, will you be doing a quantum ad for Durex as well? Since we saw you in the cameo, in the movie, in the short film.
Yes, I have. My father spoke about this when I was 6.5 years old, and he explained. He was a very, very close friend to me, and he explained a few things which I could understand at that age. But he revived this topic when I was 13, where I could understand a bit more and better. And he has been ever since a very, very close friend, and he would speak very openly so that I get some knowledge about some things which I don't know.
Urvashi, will we be seeing you doing a quantum ad as well for Durex? Because we saw you in the cameo in the short film.
What?
Will you be doing a condom ad as well, like Sunny Leone for Durex?
I was looking at him, I mean, from top to bottom.
Urvashi, it's for Urvashi.
So, first of all, the reason, I mean, I'm playing just a very short and tiny role, and the reason of why I did this because of Ashish. I think he's a very amazing and a fantastic director. Second, because of the importance of sex education in our country, and I feel as a contemporary Indian girl and also as a current Miss Universe India, I have a lot of responsibilities to create social awareness as well. And if I can be an important aspect in such a major digital series, so I don't find any problem in it. So, thank you.
At what age, Urvashi, did you understand about this sex chat?
Well, unfortunately, you know, this was also part of my family, you know, like how we always used to be very shy about talking about it and all. But if you ask me, it was during my teen years, yeah.
So late.
Yes, yes. So late, I mean, like...
This series to be bani nahi thi.
yeah, exactly.
Acha, do you think that a film on such a subject needs to be, because you know, a film will appeal even to the masses, and the masses don't have access to internet, and what we see in the film is
television?
yeah.
Well, you know what? Honestly, I'm just really worried with the current state of the nation. Just a title which says sex chat, it won't just go through only. वो censor में ही फंस जाएगा. Fortunately, and you'll be amazed at how deeply, right word to use, penetrating is the internet in our country. Excuse me. But this message hopefully will go wide with that, with the pure intention that we do have to take it out there. And one step at a time, yeah, I think this medium actually is appropriate for getting a message out there like this to begin with. And I'd be happy if someone like a Doordarshan would air content like this. I'd be happy to give it to them free. There's a reason why we are dubbing it in so many languages or subtitling it in, you know, hell, 15 languages and more. So I really hope so, yeah. लेकिन ये शुरुआत है. We've just touched the tip of the iceberg. There's so much more to do and so much deeper and wider we take this.
Ashish is quite educated, so would you be taking it to schools?
You know, really, I'm actually hoping, and I'm glad you brought that up, ma'am, because most schools, you'll be surprised today in our country, don't have sex education as part of the curriculum. The places that do have it, it is so badly curated or it's so badly delivered that either you'll go to sleep or you'll slash your wrist. या फिर तुम आँखें निकाल के कान में डाल दोगे ताकि तुम देख भी ना सको सुन भी ना सको. So we are really hoping that this is the correct language in which to take it to people. So I'd be happy to really kickstart a school contact program where we can just showcase these, give you an email ID if you have more questions, anonymously write it and we'll try and answer those. मतलब सोचिए ना आज भी 40-45 साल के लोग आदमी डॉक्टर वत्सा को मुंबई मेरे में लिखते हैं and they ask if their penis will fall off if they masturbate.
Yeah, I feel
It's
that
unfortunate.
I thought that it's scripted. Or
No, it's all real apparently. So certainly I'd hope to take it to school and get it started. Sorry, you.
Sachin sir,
Sorry, just a moment, sir.
Yeah. Congratulations for creating this series that brings up a subject that's so important in such a delightful manner. So coming to it, however, how challenging was it to make the series tasteful and not into, like you said earlier, into a double meaning zone? You know, where picking
बहुत
up
मुश्किल
the
था यार. मतलब, you know, that's what, and that was something that we needed to watch out for. That not only does it ever go into even remotely sleazy territory, but it also shouldn't get very complicated. Okay, again, how to explain those concepts that it's the lining of the wall of the uterus that drains out with the blood, which is why menstruation, all of that. It was important that it becomes clear and simple. तो काफी मतलब, like I said, we struggled with this for like 6 months plus, but all credit to really this team, and there's of course an incredible team with Nikhil Taneja, who runs development as part of Y Films, who also just jammed so closely and brought all his knowledge of sex and experience. Look at him, sex god! Yeah. Look at that shirt, look at that jeans, look at the fit. So,
And also, I must appreciate, you know, not to be vulgar when you are dealing with a topic which is below the belt. You know, I really appreciate you guys for that.
सचिन जी, अगर ये आपको कुछ साल पहले, लिपिका here, how are you, sir?
हाँ जी, I'm fine.
अगर ये आपको कुछ साल पहले मिलता तो क्या आप करते?
मेरे ख्याल से कुछ साल पहले मुझे भी सेक्स का नॉलेज उतना ही था जितना आज है. तो मेरा ख्याल है अगर मैं कुछ साल पहले भी अगर ये करता तो उसमें कुछ गलत नहीं होता.
Sachin sir, as a child actor, you.
Yeah, sorry.
Sorry,
I wanted to ask you this. Doesn't this topic contradict? Like, he didn't understand anything, and you said that if a child is immature enough to ask, he's mature enough to understand. So doesn't this contradict? He didn't get it. I mean,
don't base all decisions like some people do on a sample size of one.
Yeah.
That would be very, very wrong. And this is, now obviously this is not the encyclopedia of sex.
Yeah,
This is the first step in getting this conversation started. That is why our tagline is let's talk about sex baby, don't be embarrassed about it, इसमें शर्माने की क्या बात है? अब सारे जवाब यहीं से मिल गए तो problem ना, and that's the problem. That unfortunately for most children, they learn about these things through the internet. What is my message? Your first milestone for satiating your curiosity has to be your parent, not Google. So शुरुआत करो. We've tried to facilitate that conversation for parents, and hopefully now when Kabir goes and asks Shireen, who's a biology teacher, who incidentally also helped us on the script, on the lyrics, कि नहीं यार ये इसे ovum कहते हैं, या this is the egg, so be clear about that. So she also helped clear out our concepts. That conversation will be easier. It will no longer be a secret. And there's a right time and a right stage for everything. Maybe it's not yet right for Kabir specifically, but there are 6-year-olds where probably you know more, who can probably teach us with it. I mean, there's a classic joke doing the rounds about, son, it's time to talk about sex. Sure, Dad, what do you want to know?
Yeah.
That happens. I'm sorry, your question, sir.
Sachin sir, I want to ask, you have done many films as a child actor. So if given the role of Pappu, so how much comfortable you would have been in doing that role?
You would have been.
Yeah, you would
Oh,
have been, yeah.
I thought you were telling me if I get it now. Oh, okay. Yes. Yes, I would be very, very comfortable, of course, because I'm an actor, and I started acting at the age of 4.5. So I think on the third day itself, I felt that I was at home on the third day of the shoot. So the time was different then, but today we have such talented guys. I would have been very happy to get it when I was this small.
Sachin, did you have the same situation at home with your daughter? Any conversation like this at home?
My wife did.
So what is your take on the kind of films which are made in Bollywood on such subject? Do you think that we look down upon thing and take such things very lightly?
नहीं समझा भाई.
Like there are some adult comedy which often have homosexual jokes and everything. which is looked
Great
down upon.
grandmother.
Well, I would like to definitely comment on this, that people use homosexuality to make people laugh, which is not the right thing to do.
Yeah.
You see, जैसे किसी लंगड़े पे जोक करना अच्छी बात नहीं है, किसी अंधे पे जोक करना अच्छी बात नहीं, उसको मैं ह्यूमर नहीं मानता, वैसे ही होमोसेक्सुअलिटी के बारे में भी या ऐसे किसी चीजों के बारे में जोक करके लोगों को हंसाने की कोशिश करना मेरे ख्याल से घटिया बात है.
Ashish, so you have produced many low budget films under your banner.
ऐसे नहीं है दोस्त. हम तो बहुत गरीब लोग हैं. My outstation is Yari Road.
मतलब आप अंदाजा लगा सकते हैं कि इसकी स्क्रीनिंग यहाँ हो रही है.
Everyone brings their own food over here, buddy. So.
Would you make such films in the future also?
This web series or?
Web series and films both.
I hope so. Well, we've actually in the pipeline is what is actually Why Films' biggest film till date. It's a film. Listen to it carefully. It's called Bank Chor. Bank Chor. It's a film about 3 morons trying to rob a bank with 2 of your ex cast members, Ritesh Deshmukh and Vivek Oberoi. So that's a big one for us. That's scheduled for towards the end of this year. So that's as big as it gets. It's a mid-range wire film. और एक दिन hopefully हम भी धूम बनाएंगे इसी स्केल.
Ashish, the series tackles that parents should answer the questions the kids have. As you said, it will go deeper. Will it go deeper into the fact that how kids of 4 or 5 years are asking such questions when, with the times when they used to ask questions कि हम बात कैसे करते हैं, हम बोलते कैसे, questions ऐसे होते थे, innocent. And now they're asking these questions. Will the series go deeper into that fact कि ऐसे सवाल बच्चे पूछ कैसे रहे हैं because of mobiles, internet, or will the series go deeper into that?
You've seen the whole series, so there's nothing more left beyond this now, except a sponsor logo, which will come. Thank you so much, Durex. We love your money and your condoms. So, but at this moment, this series focuses on this. But I think what we've been able to do is seed something very interesting. The season ends on a lovely note that democracy kya hai. So that seeds, I think, given the fact that we've set up such incredible characters, I think that gives us an opportunity to go forward into discussing many other subjects which include religion, democracy, and a lot of other things that we would love to talk about. But at this stage, it's early days. We just want this one to get out there and get the conversation started.
Also, we didn't want to at any stage fight evolution. That's part of our evolution, that we are already there. Media is already talking in a certain way to us. So there's no point fighting it. We are adapting to it. and this is the first step in adapting to what's out there for our children to consume.
What next? Ashish.
इसके बाद एक और screening.
इसके बारे में screening. फिलहाल ये तो खत्म कर लें. I'd also like to just call out to Rajkumar and Patralekha for making it. Thank you so much, guys. Love you. Thank you so much for coming.
I would also like to mention two guys. One is Nikhil, who really took pains to make all of us very comfortable, and he knows how to make people feel special. Thank you, Nikhil. And the other person is Amrit.
अमृत किसी के पैसे काट रहा है शायद.
Amrit was looking after the whole production, and he gave all of us fantastic food to eat. So I really want to thank and mention about him as well.
Great. That's it.
Thank you
Thank
guys.
you so much.
Spread the word, like, share,
Please
subscribe.
It was fun. It was fun to do something different, and also this kind of a genre of web series, and also this genre of sex chat, which was something very new for me. And all these new things coming together, working with the people whom I have never worked with, also gave me a lot of pleasure. So I'm looking forward to such things in future as well, where I would be doing a lot of things with the people I have never worked with. So that gives me a lot of good energy and happiness, to go further. I don't know. That call the director has to take. It's not me. Well, this kind of a thing has happened for the first time in our country, and we should encourage this, I feel, because today's children do need to know something about it very openly and very light-heartedly. They should accept all this. My pleasure.
Well, actually, I had really no idea what I'm shooting for. It's just that Ashish gave me a call, and I said yes to it because it's about the importance of sex education in our country, and that's the reason I did it. Yeah. जी देखिए, जो भी एक पॉजिटिव सोशल मैसेज लेकर जाए और जिससे हर पूरी पब्लिक को कुछ सीखने का मौका मिले, तो आई थिंक वो हमेशा करना चाहिए. हाँ, ठीक है, डन. Upcoming movies are going to announce very soon. Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah. No, I liked it a lot. I think it was a lot of fun. It's a very important series with humor intact. Yeah. सर आई रियली होप यार कि इससे अवेयरनेस क्रिएट हो, क्योंकि ये एक जैसा कि आशीष ने बताया अंदर कि लोग आज भी हमारी कंट्री में इसको टैबू मानते हैं कि सेक्स के बारे में बात नहीं करनी चाहिए. आई थिंक क्यों नहीं करनी चाहिए. आज हम सब हैं बिकॉज ऑफ सेक्स. वो ना हो तो हम भी ना हो. अभी एक फिल्म है जो मोटवानी सर के साथ मैंने ख़त्म की है, विक्रम मोटवानी सर के साथ. फिर एक न्यूटन करके एक ब्लैक कॉमेडी है आमिर के साथ. समथिंग व्हिच मी एंड हमजा सर आर प्लानिंग. थैंक यू.
In this series, experience was really awesome because मेरा first time ऐसा कोई काम कर रहा हूँ मैं. जब मैं इनफैक्ट जब आशीष जी से जब मैं मिला था फर्स्ट टाइम, तो वो मोमेंट बहुत ऑकवर्ड था मेरे लिए बिकॉज आशीष जी ने जब मुझे बताया कि यू आर बाइंग अ कॉन्डम फ्रॉम मेडिकल स्टोर और वहाँ पर एक बच्चा आता, तो मैंने तो ये कहा कि ये क्या हो गया. अगर मुझे इतनी अच्छी जगह से अप्रोच किया गया है और ये जो रोल जो बात कर रहा है वो ये बात कर रहा है, तो मुझे ऐसा लगा क्या करे या ना करे ये कैसे मुश्किल है. बट मैंने कहा कि अगर जब आशीष जी ने एक्सप्लेन किया कि ये चीज़ें जो हद तक मैं भी सोच रहा था कि ये चीज़ें नहीं करनी चाहिए, पेरेंट्स के सामने नहीं बोलना चाहिए. अब मुझे लगता है कि ऑब्वियसली अगर मुझे कोई, अभी भी मैं इतना बड़ा नहीं हो गया कि मुझे सारी चीज़ पता चल गई, बट अगर कुछ मुझे नहीं पता होगा तो ऑब्वियसली मैं अपने पेरेंट्स से ही पूछूंगा, ना कि मेरे दोस्तों से कुछ भी बताते रहते हैं. ये क्वेश्चन मेरा सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन था, क्योंकि मैंने ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं किया है और फर्स्ट टाइम मैंने महाराणा प्रताप के बाद में ऐसा अलग कुछ, जो आपने जिस तरीके से क्वेश्चन पूछा, ये आशीष जी ने मेरा क्वेश्चन दूर किया कि फैज़ल अगर अगर आप ये चीज़ करोगे तो ये बहुत बड़ा झटका होगा। और आशीष जी ने कहा कि ये चाहते तो ये बड़े किसी जो 24-25 एज के उनसे करा सकते थे, बट वो इम्पैक्ट नहीं आता वो, क्योंकि मोस्टली यही एज होती है 18, जहाँ पर आप ये सारी चीज़ों में बहुत एक्साइटेड हो जाते हैं और जाकर आप ट्राई करने की कोशिश करते, एक्सपेरिमेंट करने की, जो आपका मन है वो आपको बोलते रहता है। सो वो चाहते थे कि मैं करूं, और इससे मुझे नहीं लगता कोई फ़र्क पड़ना चाहिए, क्योंकि हमने एक अच्छी चीज़ दिखाई है, भले ही उसे ऐसे दिखाई। अब आप ये क्वेश्चन क्यों पूछ रहे हो सीरीज़ देखने के बाद? ये इससे फ़र्क क्यों आएगा? लोगों ने कमेंट्स किया है कि चीप है, ये है, बट वो सीरीज़ देखने के बाद डेफिनेटली वो अपने कमेंट डिलीट कर देंगे, बिकॉज अगर उनको समझ में आ जाए तो। मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा, मुझे ये चीज़ करके आप यकीन मत मानो, मैं बहुत कम रहता हूँ सोशल मीडिया पर, बट ये सीरीज़ आने के बाद मैं इतना एक्टिव हो गया हूँ ना कि मुझे बहुत मज़ा आता है रोज़ रोज़। इवन मैं जो पप्पू एंड पापा का जो गाना था उसमें मैं परफॉर्म करने वाला था, लाइक डांस डालने वाला था, बट रमज़ान चल रहा था और मैं अपने दूसरे घर पर था, तो वहाँ पर मैं शूट नहीं कर पाया, बट मैं इस पर डांस करके मैं अपलोड करने वाला था। सो मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ और देखना चाह रहा हूँ कि आगे भी कैसे इसके रिस्पॉन्स आते हैं। मतलब कौन सी एज से? मुझे एक्चुअली याद नहीं है, बट धीरे धीरे जान रहा हूँ। मैंने अभी भी पता कि अभी भी मुझे पता नहीं है, बट मुझे एक किस्सा याद है जहाँ पर मैं DID में था, और DID में हमारे पास में इलियाना डिक्रूज़ जी जो अपनी मूवी के प्रमोशन के लिए आए थे, और जब मैं घर पे गया, DID हो गया बहुत महीनों के बाद, जब मैं घर पे गया तो मेरे घर वालों ने लाइक मेरे फ्रेंड्स ने मुझे बोला कि अरे वाह सनी लियोन से मिला। मैंने कहा कि कौन? मुझे नहीं पता था सनी लियोन कौन थी, मैं 14 ईयर्स का था उस वक्त। तो उसने कहा कि तू सनी लियोन से मिला? मैंने कहा कि पता नहीं यार वो कौन। तो बोले तेरे बाजू में ही बैठी थी वो DID में। मैंने कहा कि पता नहीं कौन है। तो उतने में ना कोई आ गया, तो उसने कहा कि अच्छा बाद में बोलता और मैं घर पे चला गया और उसे भी नहीं पता कौन है। अब वो इलियाना को बोल रहा है कि सनी लियोन, हाँ वो भी एड़ा। अब मैं घर पे आके मेरे सब बैठे, मैंने कहा कि ये सनी लियोन कौन है? शांत हो गया सब। मैंने कहा कि ओके कुछ तो गड़बड़ है। अब सबने बोला कि चुप बैठो बेटा, ये सब बातें क्या है? मैंने कहा कौन है भाई, पता तो करना है अभी मुझे। तो मैंने गूगल किया तो मुझे पता चला, मैंने उनके बारे में पढ़ा। तो ये चीज़ को ही दूर करने के लिए ये सीरीज़ बनाई गई है। मैं चाहता हूँ आप सभी देखें और इससे कुछ सीखें और इससे पॉजिटिव वे मिले। थैंक यू।
कबीर है। आई एम 7 years old। बहुत अच्छा लगा, एक्चुअली एक्सीलेंट लगा, एकदम मस्त लगा। मुझे पता नहीं था कि ये मतलब हिट से भी ज़्यादा हिट जाने वाली है। एक्चुअली मेरा जो भाई है वो भी एक एक्टर है, तो वो पहले एड्स करता था, फिर मैं पैदा हो गया, फिर मैं थोड़ा बड़ा हुआ, मेरे भाई ने मुझे एक्टिंग सिखाई थोड़ी बहुत। तो मैंने एक सलमान खान के साथ मेरा फर्स्ट एड था, एक टाइगर बिस्किट का एड था, तो मैंने किया वो। फिर वो देख के मेरे को और सारे एड्स हो गए, फिर मूवीज़ आने लग गए। एक्चुअली मुझे कुछ नहीं समझ आया। मैं जब भी बड़ा होऊंगा मेरी मम्मी डैडी समझा देगी।
बनकर जी रहा हूँ, क्योंकि मैं अभी तक लाइफ में पापा नहीं बन पाया हूँ। मम्मी का इंतज़ार जारी है, पर बहुत बहुत एक्साइटिंग रहा। आशीष पाटिल जो इसके प्रोड्यूसर डायरेक्टर हैं, कई हद तक जिस डायरेक्शन के दौरान उन्होंने इस कैरेक्टर को अपने ऊपर ही बनाया था, उन्हीं की तरह मैंने कपड़े पहने, तो मेरे लिए आसान था, क्योंकि मैं आशीष के साथ काफ़ी काम कर रहा हूँ, तो उनको कॉपी करना था मुझे। तो ये स्क्रिप्ट हमने डेवलप की। आशीष सर ने हमें जब कहा कि ऐसी अश्लील चीज़ लिखनी है, तो हमने बहुत सारे, फिर अमृत और मैंने बहुत सारे राइटर्स के थ्रू हम गए, कई ड्राफ्ट्स लिखे गए। हमको जब उनका काम पसंद नहीं आया तो हम फिर और दूसरे राइटर्स के पास गए। फाइनली मेरे एक बहुत पुराने दोस्त हैं, गोपाल जी, मेरे बड़े भाई की तरह हैं, गोपाल दत्त, तो उनसे मैंने बात की इस बारे में, तो उन्होंने कहा कि मुझे एक तरीका समझ में आ रहा है इसको ठीक कराने का। तो फिर वो ये तरीके लेके आए कि किस तरह से राइट मेटाफर्स के थ्रू हम इसको कहें इस बात को। और फाइनली जब स्क्रिप्टें आई और डेवलप हुई, इसको 6 महीने लगे, और 6 महीने के बाद जब स्क्रिप्टें पूरी हमारी हो गई, तभी हमने फाइनली जाकर इस सीरीज़ को प्रोड्यूस करना शुरू किया। देखिए, मार्केटिंग वाइज तो आशीष का हाथ कोई पकड़ ही नहीं सकता, वो उनकी सबसे बड़ी खासियत है। तो बहुत सारे प्लान्स हैं। इनफैक्ट इसको 5 लैंग्वेजेस में डब किया जा रहा है, 5 हिंदुस्तानी लैंग्वेजेस में डब किया जा रहा है, करीबन 9 इंटरनेशनल लैंग्वेजेस में इसको सबटाइटल किया जा रहा है। तो अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, आई थिंक देयर आर सम चैट्स अबाउट हैविंग स्क्रीनिंग्स स्पेसिफिकली आइदर गवर्नमेंट रिलेटेड और स्कूल रिलेटेड, विच विल हैपन। सो अपार्ट फ्रॉम द यूजुअल, वाई फिल्म्स का बहुत बड़ा सब्सक्रिप्शन बेस ऑलरेडी है, तो वो तो होगा ही, पर उसके अलावा भी आई थिंक बहुत सारे प्लान्स हैं इसके। I always like to imbibe my character, and finally when you see it, you shouldn't see like somebody's performing. That's always my view of acting, and I always try to do that. That's what I've done here as well. And there's so much comfort that we feel, Ashish and I, when we work together, that we just took it forward, and we'll be doing much more work together. Be it Bang Baja season 2, be it Sex Chat with Appu and Papa season 2, and so on, which may not be just Sex Chat anymore. So I think just when you have a good team, everything falls into place. No, I did not. My dad happens to be a doctor, and we never had any sex chat. I found out the old school way. I found it out through these wonderful magazines called Debonair in our days, and through VHS, because we didn't have so much of internet when we were growing up. But more on that some other day. Thank you.
Bilkul, I've seen it because we've done the background music for it. We've also done 2 songs in this series. We've done the opening song, the title song, Pappu aur Papa. पापा की आवाज़ में ही हूँ, और ऑफ कोर्स एक और बहुत प्यारा गाना जो मेरे छोटे बेटे शुभ ने गाया है एट द एंड ऑफ द एपिसोड. सो वी कंपोज द सॉन्ग्स, कंपोज यानी सुपरबिया इज़ द नेम ऑफ द ग्रुप. मी, गौरव दासगुप्ता एंड रोशन बालू, मेरे दोनों पार्टनर्स यहाँ हैं, बट बड़े शर्मीले हैं. बोले यू बी द स्पोक्स पर्सन, हम लोग काम करते हैं. सो एनी वे, सो वाइल डूइंग द बैकग्राउंड, ऑफ कोर्स वी एंजॉयड watching, and I think you know, great job. I think it's also in a way a directorial debut for Ashish, and he's a very very dear darling friend, and he's done a fantastic job. बहुत ही ट्रिकी था ये, बहुत ही सेंसिटिव एक इशू पर, स्पेशली इंडिया में लोगों को हर इशू को इशू बनाने में बहुत शौक, बहुत मज़ा मिलता है उनको. तो हम लोग को भी यही डर था कि 6 साल के बच्चे के साथ सेक्स टॉक, आई मीन वॉन्ट इट बी अ लिटिल क्रेजी. लेकिन जब हमने एपिसोड्स देखे, इट वाज जस्ट सो परफेक्ट, इट वाज जस्ट सो स्मूथ, इट वाज जस्ट सो सिंपली पुट, एंड द ह्यूमर वाज सो वंडरफुल कि कहीं ऐसा लगा ही नहीं कि यार ये क्या हो रहा है. और कबीर ने इतना कमाल की एक्टिंग किया है, ऑफ कोर्स यू नो, विद धासु एक्टर्स लाइक सचिन जी एंड यू नो आनंद, हु आर यू नो सच सीजन्ड एक्टर्स. ही वाज टेरिफिक. तो बहुत मज़ा आया. Well, I have 2 boys. No, with my dad तो वो तो दूर की बात है, तब तो कहाँ ऐसे चैट्स होते थे. लेकिन मेरे 2 बच्चे हैं, one is 14, one is 11. I think I missed the bus with the 14-year-old. I don't think he needs any more information. And आजकल स्कूल्स में भी ये करते हैं. लेकिन I think कई बार इन्फॉर्मेशन जो बच्चों को अपने ही हम उम्र बच्चों से मिलते हैं, जो थोड़े से जो उनसे बड़े हैं, या ऐसे जैसे मेरा छोटा बेटा, ही इज़ ग्रोन अप विद माई ओल्डर बॉयज़ फ्रेंड्स. तो आई डोंट नो उसके मन में कैसे कैसे थॉट्स है, क्या क्या, लेकिन मुझ में जब भी उससे पूछता हूँ तो वो भाग जाता है या सामने आता ही नहीं है. तो आई थिंक अभी बेस्ट आइडिया है हम लोग आराम से बैठते हैं और ये फिल्म देखते हैं एंड आई थिंक थ्रू दिस ही विल अंडरस्टैंड एवरीथिंग और एटलीस्ट इट विल स्टार्ट अ कॉन्वर्सेशन.
Rock and roll. What's the what? I can't hear you. Sorry, I can't hear you at all. Well, you know, it started interestingly enough at home when my son asked me a really scary question. And I was like, oh shit, I don't know how to answer that. And that's when it got me thinking that, why should it be so difficult to answer this? Why should it be awkward? And that's where the process started of trying to really put down something where it becomes easier not just for me, but for everyone. And that's when we brought in some incredible writers who really helped us pull it off. Well, honestly, not too difficult because I have an incredible casting director called Shanu Sharma. And she made my life really simple by casting this rock star of an actor called Kabir Sajid. He's 7 years old, but look at him go. Oh my God. Not only did he know his own lines, he would know everyone else's lines. He made my life really easy. Anand, of course, is a friend. I've done a lot of work with him. And a lot of Papa's character is based on me. So I wanted someone really good looking and very talented to play that part. I couldn't find someone good looking. So I settled for someone really talented. And he was fantastic. I love him. And it's been a dream to work with Sachin sir. I've been a fan of his since I was a kid. Since I was probably Papu's age. You know, from all his work in the more recent Katiyar Kalza to Satya Pe Satta, I know all his dialogues. So I reached out to them, and fortunately, Alka ji, Sanjeeda, they all just plugged into the idea instantly and they loved the script. And I think I finally just bulldozed them with my enthusiasm, saying, "Ye to karna hai yaar." So it became easy.